Let's see the last type of AND gate circuit using the chip. So the chip I'm going to use is going to be this one. This is a 7408 chip. Let me zoom a little bit. Yeah, you can read the number now. So basically, this is a 14 pin chip. You can see I'm just trying to pull the same pin diagram for this circuit. I mean for this chip IC. So this is basically the 14-bit configuration, and as usual, you have to ground the 7th pin to the ground, and the 14th pin to the positive supply. So that's a basic of any 14 pin gate configurations. And now since it's an AND gate, it requires two input. So basically this first lead and second lead is input, and the third lead is output. So let's say this is the AND gate we are using. So this is output, the third is output. So similarly this pin will also be used like that. So we'll be using AND gate, and this is an output. And similarly this 13th and 12th and 13th pin, basically the input, and 11th is the output. And similarly so basically if you look at this 14 in a 14 pin chip, you can easily get only you can get basically 4 AND gate. So this is the the internal circuits. So probably as we see, either like a diode configuration or the transistor configuration, the chip will be actually incorporated, and you can right away see the the efficiency of it. So this small chip basically has already 4 AND gate, and just in this before tutorial we saw the the circuit of AND using diode and transistor, and those are little complex, and that is being incorporated in the small chip. So let's work on, I mean as I earlier mentioned, basically this point is basically the that's a direction where you have to read, and this is the this dot basically significantly says that the pin starts from here. I mean the first pin starts from here. And also this is the manufacturer configuration. Basically this is a Motorola pin and Motorola IC basically, and 7408 is the number. So this is a quad pin, 2 input pin. Yeah, let's connect this to the breadboard. So now let me remove the supply. I'm going to connect a 7th pin to the ground, which as per the pin diagram. So I'm connecting to the ground, and then other 14th pin I'm connecting it to the supply. So yeah, this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. The last one is the sound pin, and this the first one to the top is actually the 14th pin. So 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. So that's how you have to count the pin. Now let me directly give the input. There are two inputs basically. The first pin is going to be the input 1 or input A, and the second is going to be the input B. So yeah, we need to connect an LED light. So sorry, I forget it. So let me connect an LED light to see the output actually. So I'm just connecting it here. So my positive lead is on the top side and negative lead is on the bottom side. So let me connect a 1K resistor to the ground. That way the LED will be safer. And I'll connect that output, the third output pin, to the LED. Yeah. Now let me connect the supply back again. So if I'm supplying both of them high. Now let's test this. So I'm connecting both of them to high, which is actually both of them to positive, the two inputs. Then the LED is glowing. Apply one to negative, then it's not. I mean, one to high also it's not glowing. This one to high and this one to low, in that case also it will not glow. So this satisfy the truth table. So this is the AND gate using chip 7408. Yeah, let's meet on the next tutorial. Thanks and good luck.